an underdeclaration of more than 30% of the taxable income is a substantial underdeclaration and considered to be prima facie of false or fraudulent returns. Since qualifies for the underdeclaration of such dealings, Mr. Stephen, a CPA, was charged and might possibly lose his license for issuing an unqualified opinion in his certification of a financial statement of qualified for 2008. This is Diana Mawalong for Break.
Meanwhile, the government goes back to the availability to November collection goals. They insisted that the full year guidance is unlikely to fail. Here's the full report from William now.
The Bureau of Internal Revenue, which accounts for around 2/3 of state revenue, collected 82.43 billion last month, 4% below the target of 86.3 billion, Commissioner Criminales said in a statement. The Bureau of Internal Revenue, which accounts for around 2/3 of state revenue, collected 82.43 billion last month, 4% below the target of 86.3 billion. However, she said, the original target requires a cumulative growth of 10.3% over 2009 collections, and from January to November this year, BIR collections averages to 10.5%. Compared to revenues last year, collections in November grew by almost 18%, the highest monthly growth achieved in about 3 years. The tax agency said that its collections are dictated mostly by tax deadlines and amounts of business activity. This is Clay Linar reporting for Breaking News. The BIR filed before the Department of Justice tax evasion charges against the lawyer, Mr. Gary Sonko, for failing to pay back taxes. BIR Commissioner Tino Henares said that Mr. Sonko was skillfully attempting to evade and escape the payment of taxes and 16 times of properly failing to file his tax returns in the violation of the tax code of 1997. He also said that Mr. Sonko was charged for the payment of deficiency taxes for taxable years in 2009 in the aggregate amount of 58,944,093.76 pesos, inclusive of surcharges and penalties. This is the 16th tax evasion case filed by the BIR under its Run After Tax Evaders program. Well, the BIR fascinated thoroughly, reviewing all the financial statements, and discovered that Mr. Sonko received from the Steam Energy Corporation and Swell Corporation in the total amount of 124,310,000 service rendered in 2009. As an individual receiving self-employment income, Mr. Sonko is required to file taxable income in 2009. This is Anime Asito reporting for Breaking News.
Meanwhile, Garcia and the Metropolitan Water Works Utility System official was sued for tax evasion. Here is your report from Senator Valley.
After the first round of Pinoy last June regarding exceeding benefits and bonuses of some members of DOCC, particularly the members of the MWSX, 3 of its past officials were sued by the BIR for tax evasion in the DOJ. The case involves Oscar Garcia, Ferdinand Mahusay, and Lorenz Lai. According to the BIR Commissioner Kim Henares, and based on the COA files, Garcia earned more than 10 million from 2007 to 2009, but did not pay 6 million tax liability, surcharges, and interest. I'm Cedric Franco reporting for breaking news.
A security agency was charged for willful failure to pay the agency taxes. Despite the routine demand set for withholding the taxes, the agency remained no reaction. Here's the report from Michael Magana.